Hi there, this is our Scott 3-metre lathe. It's a nice, complete, reasonably late model lathe, in good working order. Bed condition's really good. It's got a couple of small faults with it. One is the gear feed gearbox can't go in one of the gears, number 2 gear here. It's got a wee fault there and it's chewed up one of the fibre wee gears there. The other gears in that are all operating alright, and there's an oil leak from that feed gearbox. But that's pretty much it. The rest of it's good. Oh, and one wee stop button there has just got lost the cap off it, but it's working fine. So yeah, bed condition's good. You've got the halogen light there that's working, DRO. It is working, but it's really hard to see in this light. It's got coolant, which is, the pump's ticking over really nicely. I haven't got fluid in it. You've got the rapids here, tail stock, full length splash guard on the back. Tail stock's turning nicely and in good condition. They feel good. And it's ticking over nicely. It's got the wee lock on the handle there. Yeah. And yeah, so general condition is pretty good. Okay, I'll turn that coolant pump on. There it is, ticking over there. It's got the Star Delta startup with it. So I've got it in a low range. We'll run you through the feeds. Oh, actually I should take you through the rapid. So there's the rapid to the carriage coming towards me. Away. Now I'll put it to the cross slide. Going that way. Coming back. So that rapid's working really nicely. Okay, there we go. We'll just put you through the feeds. It's engaged now. So that's moving the carriage that way. I'll change the direction. You can change the direction on the carriage. And that's moving very slowly towards me now. Take you to the cross slide. It's coming out towards you. And other direction now. So there's the feeds, they're all going in and out nicely. Okay, I'll get the lead screw going. And that's engaged there, coming towards me. And disengaged. So feeds are working good. There's that fault with that one feed range. Lead screws going in and out good. Rapid's working nice. All the levers and manual controls feel alright. Okay, we'll put you through a couple of gears. That was 14 in our very low range. I won't take you through all of them, but rapid that a bit closer. Okay. It's another one, so that's 30. 48. And I'll turn it off and put us into the next gear range. Start it up. There it is. So that's the next gear range there. So that was 190. This will be 118. and 60. Okay, I'll turn it off, put you into the high speed range. Okay, that's the high speed range there, 230. I'll turn that feed off. So that's the feeds off now. So that's 230. $380. Take you one more, 600. So there's the gear range. So yeah, it's a nice complete lathe. General conditions really good, the bed conditions good, the feeds are working well, the gear range is working fine, just that feed gearbox needs some work.